Mostar, located in Bosnia and Herzegovina, is a city that offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Known for its famous bridge and stunning scenery, Mostar has become a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. Mostar's scenery is truly breathtaking. The city is located on the banks of the Neretva River, over which picturesque bridges span across. The most iconic bridge in Mostar is the Old Bridge, a UNESCO World Heritage Site built in the 16th century. Its elegant arches and turquoise waters below create a postcard-perfect scene. In addition to its picturesque scenery, Mostar also boasts a rich history, reflecting the diverse cultural influences in the region. Over the centuries, the city has been shaped by various civilizations, including the Ottoman Turks and Austro-Hungarians. This mixture of cultures can be seen in Mostar's architecture, cuisine, and traditions. Tourism in Mostar has grown steadily over the years due to its unique attractions and welcoming atmosphere. Visitors can stroll through the narrow streets of the old town, where they will find charming stores selling traditional handicrafts and local specialties. A visit to Mostar offers the opportunity to witness a harmonious blend of cultures against a backdrop of stunning scenery. Whether you are interested in history or simply looking for an unforgettable travel experience, this gem of Bosnia and Herzegovina will not disappoint.